पांडवाश्चैव किम् अकुर्वत Sanjaya. Translation. Dhritarashtra said,
O Sanjay, after my
sons of Pandu, assembled in the place of pilgrimage, desiring to fight, what did they do? 2.7. Karpanya dosho pahata svabhavah pridishami tvam dharma samudha dhritah yachreyasya nishchitam bruhi tanme Shishyasteham shadimam tvam prapannam. Translation. Now I am confused about my duty and have lost all composure because of miserly weakness.
In this condition, I am asking you to tell me for certain what is
Best for me.
Now I am your disciple and a
Soul surrendered unto you. Please instruct me. Is everyone, you know where we are, na? It's not loud enough to try. I can hardly hear few people. Third one, start. Dehinosmin yatha dehe kaumaram yovanam jara tatha dehantara praptir dhirastatra namuyati. Translation.
as the embodied soul continuously passes this body from born to youth to old age. So similarly passes into another body
And
and
then.
a sober person is not influenced by such change.
Next. स्पर्शास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्ण सुख दुःखदाः आगमापायिनो नित्यास्तां स्थितिक्षस्व भारत. O son of Kunti, the non-permanent appearance of happiness and distress
And their disappearance in due course are like the appearance and disappearance of winter and summer seasons. They arise from sense perception.
O son of Bharata,
One must learn to tolerate them
without being disturbed. 2.20. Start. न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे.
For the soul there is neither birth nor death at any time. Does not come into being, does not come into being, and will not come into being. He is one born, eternal, existing, and free-merry.
He does not change when the body is slain. 2.40. Neha vikramanaşosti pratyavayo na vidyate svalpamapi yasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat.
In this endeavor, there is no loss of dignity, and every advancement on this path can protect one from the most dangerous type of fear.
2.41. Satvika buddhi ekeha gurunandana bahushakhā yanantascha buddhayo vyavasayinam.
Those who are on this path are resolute,
And their aim is one. O beloved child of the Kurus, the intelligence of those who are irresolute is many branched. 2.59. Vishaya vinivartante niraharasya dehinah rasavarjam rasopyasya param drishtva nivartate.
The embodied soul may be restricted from sense enjoyment.
Though the taste for sense objects remains. But ceasing such engagements by experiencing a higher taste, he is fixed in consciousness. 2.62-63 together, and then we do the translations. Start. Dhyayato vishayan pumsaha sangaseshu vajrayate sangat sanjayate kamaha kamat krodho vijayate krodhat bhavati sammoha sammohat smriti vibhramaha smriti bhramshat buddhinasho buddhinashat pranashyati.
While contemplating the
objects of senses,
a person develops attachment for them, and from such attachment lust develops,
and from lust anger arises. From anger complete delusion arises, and from delusion bewilderment of memory. When memory is bewildered, intelligence is lost, and when intelligence is lost, one falls down again into the material pool. Read board. 3.13. Yagya shisthashinah santo muchyante sarvakilvishe bhunjate te dvakam papa ye pachantyatmakarana. The devotees of the Lord are released from all kinds of sins because they eat food which is offered first for sacrifice. Others who prepare food for personal sense enjoyment verily eat only sin. 3.27. Prakritehem kriyamanani gunehe karmani sarvashah ahankara vimudhatma kartaham iti manyate.
The spirit soul, bewildered by the influence of false ego, thinks himself
The doer of activities that are in actuality carried out by the three modes of material nature. 4.2. Evam parampara praptam imam rajarshayo viduhu sakale neha mahata yogo nashtaha parantapa.
This supreme science was thus received through the chain of six succession, and the saintly things understood it in
That way.
But in the course of time, the succession is broken, and therefore the
Science as it is appears to be lost. 4.6. Ajopi san avyaya atma bhutanam ishvaropi san prakritim svamadhisthaya sambhavamyatmamayaya. Although I am unborn, my transcendental body never deteriorates, and although I am the Lord of all living entities, I still appear in every millennium in my original transcendental form. 4.7. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirбhavati bharata abhyuthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham.
Whenever there is a decline in justice, or the sense of predominant
Rise in religion,
at that time
I appear.
am myself.
Paritranaya. 4.8 start. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge.
To deliver the pious and to emulate the disciplines as well as to re-establish the principles of religion, I myself appear millennium
After millennium. 4.9. Janma karma cha me divyam evam yo veti tattvataha tyaktva deham punarjanma naiti mameti suarjuna. One who knows the transcendental nature of my appearance and activities does not, upon leaving the body, take his birth again in this material world, but attains my eternal abode, O Arjuna. 4.11. Ye yatha mam prapadyante tam sadhaiva bhajamyaham mama vardhmanuvartante manushyaha partha sarvashah. As all surrender unto me, I reward them accordingly. Everyone follows my path in all respects, O son of Pritha. 4.34. Tat vidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya उपदेक्षन्ति ते ज्ञानम् ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः. Just try to learn the truth by approaching a spiritual master. Inquire from him submissively and render service unto him. The self-realized souls can impart knowledge unto you because they have seen the truth. 5.80 Vidya vinaya sampanne brahmane gavihastini shuni chaiva shvapake cha panditaha samadarshinaha.
The humble sages
By virtue of true knowledge, see with equal vision a learned and gentle brahmana, a cow, an elephant, a dog and a dog eater. 5.22 Please repeat after me. Ye hi samsparshaja bhoga.
Ye hi samsparshaja bhoga.
Dukkhayo naya evate.
Dukkhayo naya evate.
आद्यन्तवन्तः कौन्तेय.
Adyantavantah kaunteya.
Again, आद्यन्तवन्तः कौन्तेय.
Adyantavantah kaunteya.
न तेषु रमते बुधः.
Nateshu ramate buddha.
Translation everyone. An intelligent person does not take part in the sources of misery, which are due to contact with the material senses. O son of Kunti, such pleasures have a beginning and an end, and so the wise man does not delight in them. 5.29 After me. Bhoktaram yajna tapasam.
Bhoktaram yajna tapasam.
Sarvaloka maheshwaram.
Sarvaloka maheshwaram.
Surhidam sarvabhutanam.
Suhridam sarvabhutanam.
Jnatva mam shanti mrichati.
Jnatva mam shanti mrichati.
Translation. A person in full consciousness of me, knowing me to be the ultimate beneficiary of all sacrifices and austerities, the Supreme Lord of all planets and demigods, and the benefactor and well-wisher of all living entities, attains peace from the pangs of material miseries. 6.6 Please repeat after me. Bandhuratmatmanastasya.
Bandhuratmanastasya.
Bandhuratmatmanastasya.
Bandhuratmanastasya.
Yenat maivatmanajitah.
Yenatmaivatmanajitah.
Anatmanastu shatrutve.
Anatmanastu shatrutve.
Anatmanastu shatrutve.
Anatmanastu shatrutve.
Vartitatmaiva shatruvat.
Vartitatmaiva shatruvat.
Vartitatmaiva shatruvat.
Vartitatmaiva shatruvat.
All of us together, 6.6, start.
Bandhuratmanastasya. Yenatmaivatmanajitah. Anatmanastu shatrutve. Vartitatmaiva shatruvat.
Translation. For him who has conquered the mind is the best of friends. But for one who has failed to do so, his mind will remain the greatest enemy. Now from this, Krishna moves on to the 7th chapter in 51. After the 6th chapter, the 7th chapter, in this verse, Manushyanam Sahasreshu, I'm reading the translation. Out of many thousands among men, one may endeavor for perfection. And out of those who have achieved perfection, hardly one knows me in truth. So Krishna is actually trying to say is that there are so many people in the material world and everyone is engrossed in material sense gratification or after some misery or stuck in some happiness, right? They're not thinking about Krishna, they got nothing to do with God. But even out of these thousands among men, even if there's one person who's endeavoring for perfection, trying to know that I'm not the body but I am the soul, even if he gets to know, that's what Krishna is saying, those who have achieved perfection, even if he gets to know that I am the soul, I'm not this body, then what happens? Krishna is saying, even if there are thousands of those who have achieved perfection, who know now that they are not the body but the souls, still hardly one knows me in truth. Hardly, that's not the qualification. Liberation is not the qualification for knowing Krishna. To know Krishna, you have to either approach a devotee. Correct? That's what he says in that verse, Tadvidhi Pranipatena. He says that a direct way for transcendental knowledge, the 4th chapter is transcendental knowledge. Almost till the end of the 4th chapter, Krishna says, that there are so many sacrifices that you can do. You can either give away in charity, or you can, either give away, practice pranayam, or you can practice the Ashtanga yoga. So many things that you can do. You can follow Chaturmas Vrats, very austere ones also. And in that way you can get some vision, some transcendental knowledge. But he says, but what's the direct way? You approach a guru who has seen the truth, who knows who Krishna is. He can introduce you to either the parampara or directly to Krishna. But Guru is one. Guru is actually a devotee only, one who already knows the science of Krishna. That's what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says. A Guru means, it's not necessary that he has to be a Brahmana. Anyone, even if that person is coming from a very low class Chandal family, or even lower than that, even Pulinda, Pulkasha, these are very low class families. Even if that person is coming from that birth, but if he knows who Krishna is, he is fit to be a Guru. He can enlighten another person. So here Krishna is saying that how difficult it is to obtain him, but it is possible it becomes very easy through a devotee. Is that okay? So I'm writing this on the board. I can write it down if you want. Then I'll break it up. Can we read the translation together? Out of many thousands among men, one may endeavor for perfection, and of those who have achieved perfection, hardly one knows me in truth. 7.3 Manushyanam sahasreshu Manushyanam of men Sahasreshu Right, so this word is Sahasreshu. Out of many thousands. Manushyanam Sahasreshu. So the dot below the S means Sh, and the dot below the N means ణ. Correct? The big N. Manushyanam Sahasreshu. Manushyanam Sahasreshu. Last time. Manushyanam Sahasreshu. Everyone very slowly. Manushyanam Sahasreshu. Left side 3 times.
Manushyanam Sahasreshu.
Again.
Manushyanam Sahasreshu.
Last time.
Manushyanam Sahasreshu.
Right side 3 times.
Manushyanam Sahasreshu.
Manushyanam Sahasreshu. This is also Shu, because there's a dot down here. Manushyanam Sahasreshu.
Manushyanam Sahasreshu.
Again.
Manushyanam Sahasreshu.
After me. Manushyanam Sahasreshu.
Manushyanam Sahasreshu.
Correct. Now close your eyes and try only the first line. Very easy. Start.
Manushyanam Sahasreshu.
Again.
Manushyanam Sahasreshu.
Easy. Next line. Kaschit
Kaschit.
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 It's kash. K-A-S-H. Huh? Kaschit. Kaschit.
Kaschit.
Someone.
Someone.
Yatati.
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 Endeavors.
Endeavors.
Siddhaye.
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 Huh? When first time it is a small the is double. So siddhaye.
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 Is that okay? Manushyāṇāṁ sahasreshu.
Manushyāṇāṁ sahasreshu.
Kaschit yatati siddhaye.
Kaschit yatati siddhaye.
If you see in the meanings, it's given T, but on the verse, when it's colloquially spoken, it becomes D. Okay? Kaschit yatati siddhaye.
Kaschit yatati siddhaye.
Kaschit yatati siddhaye.
Kaschit yatati siddhaye.
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 Kaschit yatati siddhaye.
Kaschit yatati siddhaye.
Manushyāṇāṁ sahasreshu.
Manushyāṇāṁ sahasreshu.
Kaschit yatati siddhaye.
Kaschit yatati siddhaye.
Kaschit yatati siddhaye.
Kaschit yatati siddhaye.
Manushyāṇāṁ sahasreshu.
Manushyāṇāṁ sahasreshu.
Kaschit yatati siddhaye.
Kaschit yatati siddhaye.
Kaschit yatati siddhaye.
Kaschit yatati siddhaye.
First two lines, all of us together 3 times. Start.
Manushyāṇāṁ sahasreshu. Kaschit yatati siddhaye. Manushyāṇāṁ sahasreshu. Kaschit yatati siddhaye.
Last time.
Manushyāṇāṁ sahasreshu. Kaschit yatati siddhaye.
Last time.
Manushyāṇāṁ sahasreshu. Kaschit yatati siddhaye.
Okay, try without looking. Eyes closed.
Manushyāṇāṁ sahasreshu. Kaschit yatati siddhaye.
One more time with your eyes closed. Start.
Manushyāṇāṁ sahasreshu. Kaschit yatati siddhaye.
Perfect. Next. Yatatam.
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 Of those so endeavoring.
Of those who endeavoring.
Api.
Api.
Indeed.
Indeed.
Siddhanam.
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 Of those who have achieved perfection.
Of those who have achieved perfection.
Okay. What does the dot on the end mean? There's a A. But A and A. Manushyāṇāṁ A sahasreshu kaschit yatati siddhaye. So first two means out of thousands among men, hardly anyone is endeavoring for perfection. But out of those, what happens? Yatatanapi siddhanam. Siddhanam means those who have already achieved perfection. Kaschit mam veti tatvata. Hardly one knows me in truth. Okay? Yatata.
Yatata.
Mapi.
Mapi.
Siddhanam.
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 This is siddhaye. This is siddhanam. Okay, again the double D. Is that okay? Yatataamapi siddhanam.
Yatataamapi siddhanam.
Yatataamapi सिद्धानां
यततामपि सिद्धानां
यततामपि सिद्धानां
यततामपि सिद्धानां
यततामपि सिद्धानां
यततामपि सिद्धानां
मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु
मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु
कश्चिद् यतति सिद्धये
कश्चिद् यतति सिद्धये
यततामपि सिद्धानां
यततामपि सिद्धानां
यततामपि सिद्धानां
यततामपि सिद्धानां
यततामपि सिद्धानां
यततामपि सिद्धानां
Last time, all of us said together, start. Yatataamapi siddhanam. Only the left side.
यततामपि सिद्धानां
Again.
यततामपि सिद्धानां
Right side.
यततामपि सिद्धानां
Again.
यततामपि सिद्धानां
Perfect. One last time.
यततामपि सिद्धानां
Priya Mataji, can you say the third line?
यततामपि सिद्धानां
Perfect. First three lines, all of us together, start.
मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु
कश्चिद् यतति सिद्धये यततामपि सिद्धानां sorry, कश्चित् someone मां me वेति does know तत्वतः in fact यततामपि सिद्धानां
यततामपि सिद्धानां
कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः
कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः
कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः
कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः
मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु
मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु
कश्चिद् यतति सिद्धये
कश्चिद् यतति सिद्धये
यततामपि सिद्धानां
यततामपि सिद्धानां
यततामपि सिद्धानां
यततामपि सिद्धानां
कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः
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 Slower. कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः
कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः
Perfect. Now all of us together, only the last line. Start.
कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः
Two more times.
कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः
Again.
कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः
Close your eyes. Only the last line.
कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः
Again.
कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः
Last two lines. यततामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः Again. यततामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः Last time. यततामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः Full verse, 3 times, start.
मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु कश्चिद् सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः
Please read the translation once, start.
Out of the many thousands among men, one is the level of perfection. And of those who achieve perfection, hardly one knows the truth.
You can try individually now. 2-2? Okay. Sonali Mataji and Anuradha Mataji, please start. Full verse. Start.
मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु कश्चित् यतति सिद्धये यततामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः.
Perfect. Deepika Mataji and Vaishali.
मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु कश्चित् यतति सिद्धये यततामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः.
Bhairavi and Lalita Mataji.
मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु कश्चित् यतति सिद्धये यततामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः.
Sunita Mataji and Lalita Mataji again. Start.
मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु कश्चित् यतति सिद्धये यततामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः. मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु कश्चित् यतति सिद्धये यततामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः.
Perfect. Last two.
मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु कश्चित् यतति सिद्धये यततामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः.
Everyone together. Start.
मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु कश्चित् यतति सिद्धये यततामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः.
After me. मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु
मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु
कश्चिद् यतति सिद्धये
कश्चित् यतति सिद्धये
यततामपि सिद्धानां
यततामपि सिद्धानां
कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः.
कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः.
Translation.
Of many thousands among men,
One may endeavor for perfection, and out of those who have achieved perfection, hardly one may be in truth. Okay, now the previous verse, can we all say it together once? Bandhuratmatmanastasya. Only the
आत्मात्मनस्तस्य
येनात्मैवात्मना जितः अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्. Only the left side will say. Start.
बन्धुरात्मात्मनस्तस्य
Slower.
येनात्मैवात्मना जितः अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्.
The other side. Start.
बन्धुरात्मात्मनस्तस्य येनात्मैवात्मना जितः
अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे
वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्.
Perfect. Translation, everyone together.
For him who has conquered the mind is the best of friends. But for one who has failed to do so, his mind will remain the greatest enemy.
7.3, one last time. Start.
मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु कश्चिद् यतति सिद्धये यततामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेति तत्त्वतः.
Translation.
Out of the many thousands among men, one may endeavor for perfection, and of those who have achieved perfection, hardly one knows me in
True. The next verse, 7.7, is my favorite verse. I just love this verse. It's beautiful. I'll read the translation. O conqueror of wealth, there is no truth superior to me. Everything rests upon me as pearls are strung on a thread. So pearls are like everything and Krishna is like that thread, which is holding everything together. Mataha parataram nanyat kinchidasti.